Shout out, shout out kay Ma'am Josephine Butor, no? Second time mag-attend sa ating webinar. Right? Good evening, good afternoon once again. So, yan. So, by the way, sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, I'm Lou Maraon. Nasa Cebu po ako nakabase and one of the full-time financial educator po dito sa IMG. Nag-join po ako sa IMG around 2018. So, magsi 7 years na rin po, no? And itong IMG po ay sinare sa akin ng aking kapatid. And the reason why I joined that time is gusto ko lang talagang matuto paano i-manage ng tama yung kinikita at the same time makapag-ipon ng tama. Yan. And dito ko yan natutunan talaga sa IMG. And later on, no, nakita ko gaano kaganda yung mission, gaano kaganda yung information. And I naisipan ko din talaga na i-share ito sa iba because I believe if nakatulong siya sa akin personally, makakatulong din po siya sa iba. So yung IMG po, this is actually a financial brokerage company. IMG or International Marketing Group is more than 20 years na po, no? Dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. And we actually have a lot of members all over the world. And yung kagandahan ng IMG, we have a community of savers and investors. Talagang magaguide tayo dito paano makapag-ipon at makapag-invest ng tama. What we teach here is about financial education. Kasi may kasabihan nga, di po ba? Wala naman yan sa liit or laki ng kinikita na sa pagmamanage talaga ng ating income. At gaano man kalaki yung kikitain mo kung hindi ka rin marunong talaga humawak ng pera, useless lang din. So, financial education is really the first step, no, para mabago yung ating financial situation. And of course, no, information is useless without execution. That's why dito sa IMG, we already have access to different financial uh, companies, no, kung saan doon tayo makakapagsimula, makapag-ipon or makapag-invest po. Yan. So, our mission is to educate 30 million families by year 2030. Ito po yung ating financial literacy campaign. And right now, around 13.7 million na po yung na-educate natin dito sa IMG. Would like to congratulate everyone for being part of this campaign. And hopefully po, mas marami tayong natutunan or marami tayong maturuan. And if you feel like information na matutunan nyo ngayon is makakatulong po talaga sa inyo, please share it to others as well, no? Para mas marami tayong matulungan. Ayan. So, we will be sharing some part of this book, no? Ito yung The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Sabi nga dito ni Brother Bo Sanchez, isang kilalang book author, sabi niya, friend, this book is your ticket to upgrading your financial life. Read it, devour it, and share it to people who need a financial revolution in their life. So, kung tayo po ay talagang gusto mabago yung ating finances, yung ating financial situation, by reading this book, no, makakatulong po talaga kasi dito tinuturo yung basic principle, paano ba mabago yung ating financial situation, paano ba i-handle ng tama yung ating kinikita. Alright? Yan. So, reality number 1, sabi dito sa libro, when it comes to securing and saving their future, many good people fail. Smart people fail. Hardworking people fail. Even young and old people fail. So, ibig sabihin pala, no, kahit mabuti tayong tao, malisalin, matalino, hindi pala guaranteed na magsasucceed tayo financially. Even professionals like doctors, teachers, engineers, no, marami pa rin yung struggling when it comes to their finances. Many end up retiring without enough saving. Makikita natin ngayon talaga, no, college degree also does not ensure wealth. Hindi naman ibig sabihin ay mataas yung pinag-aralan mo, maganda yung kinikita mo ngayon. It's already guaranteed na maganda na din yung takbo ng finances mo, di ba? Kasi kung mapapansin po natin, marami pa rin yung nagre-retire din na hindi nakapaghanda or walang sapat na ipon. No? Many, no, sabi nga dito sa libro, these people don't set out to fail, they do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances. And so, most probably, talagang may kulang, no? They lack financial education. Kasi when we talk about financial education, ito naman po ay hindi tinuro nung tayo po ay nag-aaral, no? So, iba kasi yung academic education sa financial education, no? Iba pa rin yung maaring nakapagtapos tayo ng pag-aaral, pero kapos pa rin pagdating sa financial, di ba? So, that's why we also need to make time na aralin talaga yung financial education because this is the first step to change our financial situation. And the reason why we're sharing this, because we have a lot of financial challenges na kakaharapin, hindi lang ngayon, kundi sa darating na panahon. O, unang-una is itong tinatawag na uncertain labor market. So, panahon ngayon, there's no such thing as job security. Anytime po, maaaring mawalan tayo ng trabaho. Can you imagine yourself, no? What if mawalan ka ng trabaho ngayon? May sapat na ipon po ba tayo? Can we sustain the needs of our family? No? Lalo na kung tayo po yung inaasahan. So, that's why, no, importante talaga, mapaghandaan po natin ito. Pangalawa is itong, marami po yung walang ipon at baon sa utang. No? Even retirees ngayon, no, walang ipon, baon pa sa utang. Kaya nga, yung iba hindi rin makapag-for good dahil walang ipon, lubog pa sa utang. No? Third challenge is ito, high cost of education. At pang-apat, itong increasing cost of living. Ang bilis tumaas ng mga bilihin, pero yung sahod natin, ganun pa rin. No? So, these areas, no, talagang maaaring mangyari or mapektuhan tayo nito. What we can do, hindi naman natin kayang makontrol yung ekonomiya ng Pilipinas, but pwede po nating makontrol yung ating personal economy. Pwede po nating paghandaan para maiwasan po natin yung mga ganitong financial challenges. No? Paano ba natin yan, no, mapaghandaan? Very important po is to learn how to make more money. Makakatulong kung meron tayong ibang sources of income. Pangalawa, matuto tayo paano mag-ipon, paano rin mag-invest, palaguin yung ating ipon, and how to protect our hard-earned money. Now, remember that no one else will do this for you except you. Wala namang ibang tao na concerned sa financial situation mo, kundi ikaw lang din. No? So, we need to take control of our future because the future is in our hands. It's not it's not in the hands of our employer, no? Wala din sa ating gobyerno, kahit sino mang presidenteng nakaupo dyan, it will not really affect our personal economy. So, talagang nasa atin yan, no? So, we need to learn, hindi lang pa na kumita ng pera, but we also need to learn how to make money work for us. No? Kasi, hindi naman tayo habang buhay pwedeng kumita ng pera, di ba? When we talk about active income, this is the salary that we earn from employment. So, it requires 80 to 100% of our effort. So, kung hindi din tayo magtatrabaho, wala din tayong kikitain. No? That's what we call the active. That's why hindi naman tayo habang buhay pwede magtrabaho. Talagang darating yung time po na tayo ay magre-retire. Darating yung time na tayo po ay magpo-for good. Kahit nagkakaedad na rin tayo, kahit tumatanda, may mga pangangailangan pa rin tayo. Our needs are actually permanent, but our income, or active income, that's temporary. That's why we need to learn how to convert our active income into passive income. Para pagdating ng time na hindi na po natin kaya magtrabaho, money is already working for us. May aasahan po tayo para pang-sustain dun sa mga pangailangan natin. Especially during our retirement years. Di po ba? No? So again, our needs, those are permanent kahit nagkakaedad tayo. But our active income, our salary right now, that is temporary. So we need to prepare, especially during para sa ating retirement years. Now, we need to convert our active income into passive income. Now, so here's the key financial concept po na tinuturo natin dito sa IG. No? So, tanong ko po pala sa inyo, no? What is your financial situation right now? Ito bang B or itong A? No? Ano ba yung nasa B? Walang investment, walang emergency fund, lubog sa utang or maraming utang, walang protection, at walang healthcare. Or, yung financial situation mo ngayon is nasa A na. No? May healthcare, may sapat na protection, no? Walang utang, may emergency fund, or may investment. So, try to check, no? Ano na po ba yung financial situation natin ngayon. So, IMG actually teaches how to build a solid financial foundation. When we talk about solid financial foundation po pala, actually, para pala ito napapatayo tayo ng bahay, no? We need to build it from the ground, going up. No? Meron pala itong label of priorities. Meron palang dapat na pagkakasunod-sunod. No? So, kumbaga, kung magpapatay ka ng bahay ba, may blueprint. Dapat matibay, yung ating pagkakagawa para anumang mangyaring sakuna, di po madaling masira. No? Dapat ganun din yung magiging konsepto sa pagbibuild din ng ating finances. No? Dapat yung pagbibuild kasi ito from the ground up. So, dapat yung pinaprioritize or inuuna is yung pagkakaroon talaga ng healthcare. So, bakit nga ba healthcare? Kasi po, kahit isang sakit lang, maaaring maubos lahat ng ating naipundar. Maaaring mabaon tayo sa utang or yung mga maibenta or maisasala yung mga ari-ari ang naipundar natin ng mahabang panahon. No? One illness can wipe out all our assets, savings, and investment. No? Kaya kailangan po talagang paghandaan ito. Kasi wala naman din sa edad yan. No? Bata or bata na maaaring magkasakit. No? And normally, ang kadalasan din, sa pagkakalam ko, no, OFW, maganda na nasa ibang bansa kasi kompleto pa yung benefit, may healthcare coverage from the employer. Pero yung challenge din kasi niyan is, hindi naman po yan nadadala sa Pilipinas, no? So, importante pa rin yung healthcare na paghandaan natin, especially kapag tayo po ay nagbabakasyon sa Pinas or magre-retire na, dapat may sarili din tayong healthcare. This is to make sure po na mamayari is may magagamit po tayo. Pangalawa, dapat magkaroon din tayo ng proteksyon, especially if you are the breadwinner. Kung mayroong mga taong umaasa sa kinikita po ninyo ngayon, dapat po magkaroon tayo ng sapat na proteksyon. So when we talk about enough protection, yung advisable natin dito sa MD tinuturo is dapat yung annual income mo times 10. No? Yan dapat yung sapat na proteksyon na meron ka. So kung meron kang life insurance ngayon, no, try to check if that's equivalent to 10 times of your annual income right now. Kasi baka kulang pa. So, dapat may sapat tayong protection to make sure yung pamilyang maiwan ay hindi po mahirapan financially. Kasi di ba ngayon pa lang, we actually do everything. Nagsasakripisyo tayo para sa pamilya natin, para sa mahal natin sa buhay. So, imagine kung tayo, breadwinner na wala, who will take care of our family? Kaya po dapat may sapat tayong protection. Pangatlo, ma-eliminate din yung utang. Kasi yung utang, yan talaga yung number one cause of stress and it may affect the relationship din ng mga taong pinagkakutangan natin. So, iba pa rin din kung wala tayong iniisip na utang. No? And it is actually possible na makaahon tayo sa utang. Number one is to really know your needs and wants. And second, increase your cash flow para mabilis mo ma-pay off yung mga utang mo. No? And pang-apat, dapat magkaroon ka din ng sapat na emergency fund. What we recommend is to have 3 to 6 months equivalent of your monthly income. Tabi mo yan sa bangko para anytime kung may mga pangailangan, madali mo rin nadudukot. No? That's the purpose of emergency fund. Kasi kahit anong gawin natin paghahanda, talaga may mga emergency, no? Tulad ng bagyo, ganyan. No? So, sakali mawalan din ng suddenly ng trabaho, may enough kang pera magagamit, no? For emergency. Yan. And panglima, of course, you need to yung investment, no? Kasi marami naman tayong mga financial goals, di po ba? Kung gusto natin magkaroon ng bahay, lupa, sasakyan, makapag-travel yung buong pamilya. So, we need also to invest, no? So, importante yung investment. Kasi when we invest, hindi lang tayo po yung nagtatrabaho para kumita ng pera, kundi yung pera na rin yung nagtatrabaho para sa atin. So, itong limang bagay na to, yung pagkakaroon ng healthcare, protection, ma-eliminate yung utang, magkaroon ng sapat na emergency fund at investment, ito po ay importante talaga na kumpleto tayo, no? So, we believe dito sa IMD po, kung matibay yung pagbibuild natin nating solid financial foundation, kung kumpleto po tayo nito lahat, whatever financial challenges po na dumating sa buhay natin, hindi po tayo mahirapan because we're able to prepare it or we're able to save for it. No? So, hindi talaga tayo mahirapan yan financially. So now, moving on. Paano ba natin sisimulan yung pagbibuild ng solid financial foundation? So, these are different investment we recommend for you to start. No? So, sa investment po, do you know about stock market or mutual fund? Maaaring nakita na rin kayo ng ads sa Facebook na pwede pala tayong mag-invest mga malalaking kumpanya tulad po ng dyan sa Jollibee, BDO, Ayala, SM. No? We call this as, ito po ay tinatawag na stock market investing. Sa stock market po kasi meron ding dalawang bagay paano makapagsimula mag-invest. Meron tayong direct at saka indirect investing. When we talk about direct investing, kayo po personally yung dapat mag-aaral dyan. Dapat aralin nyo kung saan dapat ano-anong kumpanya yung papasukan po ninyo. Kasi napakaraming kumpanya po yung ah, nakalista dyan sa stock market. And if you don't select it properly, maaring masayang din yung investment po ninyo. That's why what we recommend, lalo na sa mga FW na wala pang masyadong kaalaman pagdating dito, what we recommend is to invest indirectly sa stock market, which is through mutual fund po. Kasi sa mutual fund, wala na tayong gagawin, no? Maglalagay lang tayo ng pera. Sa mutual fund kasi may fund managers na, no? They are already experts sa field na to. Sila yung bahalang mag-aral kung ano-ano yung mga kumpanya na magandang investan. No? A mutual fund is a pooled fund. So basically, hindi lang po tayo nag-invest, kundi tayo pong lahat na nandito, pagsama-sama po yung ating pera. No? Yung pera po ni Sir John Lee, pera ni Ma'am Fe, pera ni Ma'am Eds, no? Pera ni Ma'am Evelyn. So, pang sama-sama po yan. No? Ilalagay sa isang mutual fund company. Once the fund earns, yan po ay paghati-hatian ng mga investor po. No? So, kagandahan dito sa mutual fund, we can earn average of 8 to 12% per annum. No? So, kung titingnan mo talagang mas mataas yung interest rate nito kumpara po sa kapag nag-iipon ka lang sa mga commercial bank. No? So, kasi ngayon, kung depositor ka lang sa bangko, talagang napakaliit na interest rate, less than 1% lang. But if you are an investor, kung ikayo po ay stock owner or part holder ng mga bangko, maaari po kayong kumita ng malaki. You can earn average 8 to 2% per annum. Alright? Yan. So, yeah. Ano ba yung mga benefit then once we invest in a mutual fund? No? So, ang mutual fund mo, ano yung kagandahan nito? May professional management, no? May professional na nagmamanage ng pera natin. So, we can really make sure that over long term, talagang kikita po yung ating investment. Pangalawa, automatically, yung perang nilalagay po natin dito ay nakalagay na po sa iba't ibang kumpanya. Yan yung tinatawag na diversification. This is to manage the risk of our investment. Di po ba sa pag-invest, no, may tinatawag na do not put your eggs in one basket. No? Kasi pag naka-allocate yan sa iba't ibang kumpanya, we can manage the risk. No? Kasi kung hindi maganda yung performance ng isang kumpanya, may ibang kumpanya pa na maganda naman yung performance. So talagang kikita tayo. No? Yan. And maliit lang yung capital requirement. No? In fact, no, as low as 1,000 pesos, may initial investment ka na once you are a member of ING. And then, pwede ka pang magdagdag as low as 20 pesos. So, very affordable. No, hindi mo kailangan ng milyon para makapagsimula mag-invest po dito sa stock market through mutual fund. Kailangan mo lang talaga is maging member ng IMG. Automatically, you will become an investor already. No? You can add any amount as low as 20 pesos. No? Very affordable. And it's a great equalizer kasi we are actually paid proportionally. Depende sa laki, rami ng ating number of shares. No? So, that's why going when what we really recommend, invest for long term, invest regularly so that we can maximize the growth of our market. No? Kasi mas mataas po yung potential return dito. Sabi ko nga kanina, pwede tayong kumita average 8 to 12% per annum. Mas mataas kumpara sa mga commercial bank. And it's very liquid. Kasi sakaling kailangan po natin ng pera, within 7 to 15 banking days, nandyan na po yan sa inyong account. No? So, um, hindi katulad ng mga solid property, yung mga solid investment or properties, no? Bahay, real estate, no? Sakaling gusto nating ibenta, gusto nating magkaroon ng pera. It takes time for us to look for buyers, no? But dito kasi sa mutual fund, talagang hindi tayo na problema kung pwede bang ibenta, no? Kasi anytime, pwedeng-pwede talaga ibenta yan. No? Very safe, of course, kasi this is highly regulated ng Securities and Exchange Commission. Good thing, another thing, no, ang kagandahan dito sa mutual fund is it is also tax-free. So, ano man yung kikitain natin, wala po yung bawas na tax. Kung napapansin po ninyo sa ating mga commercial na savings account, every month, binabawasan po yan ng withholding tax. But dito po sa ating mutual fund, magkano man yung benta mo ng shares mo, wala po yung deductions ng tax. Yan po talaga yung magre-reflect sa account po ninyo. Alright? So, kung wala pa kayong mutual fund, mag-start up po kayo. No? At kung hindi pa kayo member ng ING, dapat naging member po kayo. So, ito po yung performance ng partner natin na Solibo Mutual Fund. So, if kayo po ay nakapag-invest simula noong January 1 of 2024 up to September 24, kumita na po yan ng around 17%, no? Yan. So, ang Soldivo Mutual Fund po ay naka-invest sa International Container Terminal Services, SM Prime Holding, Ayala Land, SM Investment Corporation, BPI, Ayala Corp, BDO, Jollibee, Metrobank, and DG Plus. Kung napapansin po ninyo, no, talagang nakalagay yan sa iba't ibang sector. Nasa transportation, nasa holding firms, nasa real estate, no, nasa mga bangko, even consumers, no, nasa gaming, no, DG Plus. So, yun yung kagandahan. Diversify na kaagad yung ating investments once you start investing dito. So, so present, no, bumaba yung presyo ng Soldivo, and that is actually the best time for us to invest more sa ating Soldivo fund para mas marami yung shares na nabibili po natin. Yan. So, kung hindi pa kayo member ng IMG, make sure to become a member of IMG and start investing po dito sa inyong Soldivo funds. Alright? So, yan. Magkakaroon kayo ng sarili niyong mutual fund account. Diyan niyo po namumonitor yung mga hinuhulog po ninyo monthly. No? So, lahat po, makikita ninyo dyan. No? Any amount, pwede niyo idagdag. No? As low as 20 pesos, pwede po kanyong magdagdag dyan. Now, so, paano ba natin nalalaman na kumikita din yung ating shares? No? Napaka-simple lang naman. Makikita nyo naman po dyan sa portal po ninyo yung current TAV, kung magkano yung current na price ng shares sa ngayon. Let's say 0.80. Then yung i-sum up nyo rin, no, kung magkano yung total shares na nabili po ninyo. Yan. Makikita nyo din dyan, no, yung total accumulated shares po ninyo. I-multiply nyo lang yan sa current TAV. That will give you the current value. Kung magkano yung presyo, current price ng inyong shares ngayon. So, 35,175 shares times 0.80. Ito po yung price per shares. So, that's yung current value po niyan in peso is 28,227. So, i-sum up nyo din yung lahat lang na add nyo na amount dyan. Magkano yung in-invest nyo? It's 24,500. So, yung kita po nito is around 3,700. That's 15%. This is from February 2024 to hanggang kailan ba to? February lang, no? Or September of 2024. April to September. So, April, May, June, July, August, September. In just 6 months, no, kumita ng 15%. Ayan, yung kagandahan ng Soldivo. So, of course, no, all you need to do is to maximize, invest regularly, consistently, so that you can maximize the growth of our market. No? Kahit magkano man yan yung presyo, mataas, mababa, bili ka na ng bili. No? At kung tingin mo mas mababa, this time, lakihan mo yung pagbili ng shares. Para mas malaki din yung kikitain mo pag tumaas po yan ulit. Yan lang po talaga yung sikreto dyan. So, all you need to do is to become a member of IMG. Yan. So, para makapagsimula ka mag-invest sa mutual fund, automatically, yung kailangan mo lang mag-game member. One-time membership fee natin, 6,000. Kasama na po yan yung initial investment sa Soldivo. May 100,000 ka na ding personal accident insurance sa Manila Bankers Life, and may 50,000 ka na ding memorial, no, sa Fidelity Life. No? Yan, this is convertible into a memorial service, at marami pang iba. Marami pa tayong mga benefits yan. Yan. So, moving on. No? So, balikan natin yung pag-usapan nating solid financial foundation kanina. No? Having Soldivo, becoming a member of IMG, and starting investing in Soldivo fund is just one step, no? Kasi investment lang po yung Soldivo. So remember that kailangan talaga solid yung ating financial foundation. So dapat meron tayong healthcare, no? So dito naman sa healthcare, no? Yung recommended po talaga natin na dapat unahin is yung itong 3-in-1 savings program, no? Kasi may healthcare na, may protection na, may investment. Sakaling magkasakit ka, magagamit mo ito for hospitalization. Pangalawa, sakaling may mangyari po sa atin, may maiiwan tayong pera sa pamilya natin. Pangatlo, in case we live long, may investment din tayo or dagdag na retirement money. So, ang partner po natin is si Kaiser. Ito po yung ating Kaiser 3-in-1 savings program. It comes with healthcare, life insurance, and investment po. No? And this illustration, this is a K100 plan. Marami po tayong plan na pwedeng pagpilian. Depende po sa inyong budget, depende din po sa edad po ninyo. No? For K100, yung annual premium po nito is 58,000. Pwede din po kayong mag-semi-annual, pwede rin po quarterly, monthly, or even spot cash. Kasi kung kaya nyo naman po mag full payment ka agad, spot cash po yung tawag dyan, Or kung hindi pa naman, you can go for installment. No? 7 years lang po, uhulugan yung ating Kaiser plan. 7 taon. No? Kung kayo po ay age 22 ngayon, no? 7 years lang, so at age 29, fully paid na kayo. No? Kaiser will issue a certificate of full payment, and after that, wala na kayong hulugan. Maghihintay na lang po kayo ng 13 years for maturity. So, 7 plus 13, that's a total of 20. So, once pinag-usapan po yung maturity, that's already good as cash. Ibig sabihin po niyan, pwede nyo na pong i-withdraw. Magkano man po yung maturity value po ninyo or fund value. So, yan. So, yung kagandahan naman dito ng Kaiser, no? Kahit 1 taon pa lang tayo nakapaghulog po, may mga libreng healthcare benefit na tayo na pwedeng ma-avail. Libre yung ating annual physical examination. Ito po yung 5 basic tests like stool test, urine test, x-ray, CBC, pap smear sa babae, electrocardiogram naman sa lalaki. Libre po yan taon-taon. And magpalinis ng ngipin po ay libre rin. No? And sakali talagang hindi maiwasan magkasakit at ma-confine sa hospital, no? Confinement po ito, may room and board tayo na 1,000 per day at saka 60,000 na annual benefit limit. Ito po yung budget for confinement, for hospitalization. No? So, actually, mas malaki yung plan, mas malaki din yung coverage or benefit po. No? So, yung 60,000, this is for K100 plan. No? And kadalasan din ang concern, no? is mga katanungan, no? Paano daw po kung hindi pa tapos yung 7 taon, namatay yung policy owner. Nakunod doon, namatay, hindi pa tapos na hulugan. Anong mangyayari sa policy? Yung kagandahan ng Kaiser po, may kasama na din po itong waiver of installment due to death and due to total and permanent disability. Ibig sabihin po niyan, sakaling mawala po na yung policy owner na hindi pa tapos hulugan yung plan, automatically fully paid na po yung plan. Wala nang babayaran. And this is actually transferable. The plan is transferable to the beneficiary. Kaya po, ito yung tinatawag nating ipon na walang tapon. Ang plan po ay pwedeng-pwede natin ipamana sa mahal natin sa buhay. So, ating mga anak or sa ating asawa, sa ating kapamilya. No? Yan yung kagandahan ng Kaiser. No? Ang ipon na walang tapon. No? The family member or the beneficiary will receive the life insurance coverage or death benefit na 450,000. At kung accident naman yung cost ng death, it's another 450,000 po. So, a total of 900,000 ang paghati-hatian ng mga beneficiary. Maaari pong maglagay ng 1 hanggang 4 na beneficiary po. Alright? Yan. And pag-usapan naman natin yung investment. Kung nakikita nyo po dito, ang annual premium ng ating K100 plan is 58,081. Yan. I-multiply lang po natin yan into 7 years kasi di ba 7 taon lang naman ang hulugan yung ating Kaiser plan. So that's a total of 411,000. Pero magkano ba yung makukuha natin sa maturity? That's actually around 1.1 million, which is almost triple po yung balik po sa ating investment dito. Yan yung kagandahan ng Kaiser. Kasi kung yung 400,000 mo, kung sa bangko ka lang nag-iipon, most probably after 20 years, hindi rin yan magiging milyon eh. Kasi, di ba, napakaliit lang ng interest rate po sa bangko. Na dito sa Kaiser, no, almost triple yung balik sa inyo. In case something happens to you, may protection tayo. Sakali magkasakit ka, magagamit mo ito for hospitalization. Sakali mangyari sa iyo, may life insurance or death benefit. Yung kagandahan kasi ng Kaiser, no? Sakali may mangyari sa atin, the death benefit plus the investment, yan po ay matatanggap ng beneficiary natin. Yan yung kagandahan ng Kaiser. And these are the different Kaiser plan po na pwede po nating pagpilian. Kaiser plan is applicable for age 10 to 60 years old. Yan, for age 10 to 40, yung pinaka-minimum or mababang plan is K45. Ito po ay 26,000 annually. Kung monthly naman ay 2,647. Makikita po ninyo yung annual, no? Yung advantage nito, may discount kang 2 months. Para naghulog ka lang ng 10 months in 1 year. Yan. So, annualized or annual. Yan, ito yung maganda talaga. So, makakatipid ka ng 2 months every year times 7 years. That's a total of 14 months saving. Di ba? Or discount. So, talagang maganda if you go for annualized kung kaya naman. So, yung benefit mo for K45, you have 50,000 na annual benefit limit for hospitalization, 200,000 na life insurance or death benefit, 405,000 pag accidental death, and 500,000 yung maturity value. Ito yung investment. Now, if your goal naman is to have at least 1 million, no, what we recommend is the K100. No? 58,821 yearly dahil ito po yung magbibigay sa iyo ng around 1.1 million pagdating na maturity. No? If your goal is to have at least 1.5 million, you can go for 1K125, no? 73,000. That will give you around 1.5 million. No? Kung goal mo is at least 2 million, you can go for K175. That's 102,000 annually. No? Will give you around 2 million after 20 years now. So may take note po, may policy fee tayong 500 pesos. Ito po ay once a year hanggang 7 years. No? Yan. So if you have questions regarding po dito sa Kaiser, make sure to talk to the person who invited you para po maklarify po yung mga katanungan ninyo regarding dito sa Kaiser. At para ma-check rin kung ano ba yung magandang plan para po sa inyo. Alright? Okay. Moving on, no? So, kindly also follow our Kaiser official Facebook page, Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. Doon nyo po nakikita yung mga nakapag-claim na ng kanilang maturity, ng investment, at saka yung mga nakapag-claim na din ng death benefit. No? Hopefully, isa na din po tayo sa mga kapag-claim ng mga maturity benefit natin. So, kapag may itinanim, talagang may aanihin. No? So, yung kagandahan din ng Kaiser, no? Our policies are online. Kahit nasa ibang bansa po kayo, you can monitor your account, no? So, yung kagandahan nito, no? Magiging kampante po tayo kahit sa sulok tayo ng mundo because nakikita natin na pumapasok yung mga hinahulog natin dito. Yan. So, sa ating online policy management, nandun na po yung ating policy. Na-check din natin kailan yung ating due date, magkano yung ating due na amount. Nandun din po yung ating payment history. And we can also download our official receipt. Na nandyan po lahat na kailangan mong makita sa ating Kaiser of OPMS. Makikita din po natin dyan yung mga accredited hospital, clinic, and dentist sa ating OPMS. Yan. So, take action, secure your future because you will always have an excuse not to save or invest no matter what your excuse is. One thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year. So, kailan ka ba magsisimula mag-ipon? Tsaka na ba kung 60 ka na? Of course not. Dapat ngayong batang-bata pa, kaya pang kumita, magsimula na po mag-ipon. No? No matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up after college, you would need money for his or her education. No matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire. Stop making active income. So you have to be prepared for this kind of situations. Be with a group who inspires you. When the members of the group save, they will also inspire you to save. Yun yung kagandahan ng community natin dito sa IMG. We wanted everyone to build a solid financial foundation, magkaroon ng sapat na ipon kapag handa for retirement. And we would like to welcome you all in advance to our community and we are really excited to help you sa journey po ninyo dito sa IMG. Yan. So, be part of our community. So, IMG has already established agreements with major financial services companies in the Philippines. Ito yung mga product partners natin. Sa healthcare po, we have Kaiser. Sa life insurance, we have Manila Bankers Life, Fidelity Life. Kung kayo po ay nangangailangan din ng insurance para sa inyong sasakyan, bahay, travel insurance, kompleto po yan dito. We can get discount kapag member po tayo ng IMG. Under investment po, lahat ng ating mga Soldibo o yung ating mga mutual fund investment that is actually under Ramper Financials. Yung ating partner po dyan, isa na dyan is Soldibo Funds. Under real estate naman, kung plano po ninyo mag-invest sa mga properties, bahay at lupa, condo unit, sa partner natin, Ramper Realty, SMDC, Ayala Land, nandyan na po lahat. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng ibang broker. Pwede lang kayo mismo yung magiging broker dyan. Other services, we have Kaiser Medical Center. Pag member ka ng IMG, unlimited consultation po tayo dito at discounted din sa mga laboratories. Everest Memorial Services, Los Reyes Optical, MyTV, DPS, RFP. If gusto nyo pong gawin itong career as financial educator, maging registered financial planner, pwede talaga tayo dyan sa RFP. Then, isa sa partner din natin is yung Palawan Pawn Shop. All IMG-related payments po discounted dyan sa Palawan. Yan. So, right now, if you will become a member of IMG, we already have a total of 63 benefit. Napakarami na po talagang benefit tayo dito sa IMG. Hindi ko na lang po isa-isahin, but kung ating ika-categorize po ito, of course, no, nang una, na tinuturo ng IMG is financial education. So may access na tayo kaagad dito sa mga workshop. Paano ba managdagan yung ating kinikita? Paano manage yung utang? Build po talaga yung ating solid financial foundation and magkaroon ng sapat na protection. How to build wealth and asset accumulation, retirement planning and wealth preservation. And also how to build a business in the financial industry. And then may free gifts na din po tayo dyan. And of course, if you wanted to increase your cash flow, gusto nyo magkaroon ng part-time business, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong aralin yung business na brokerage, no? Brokerage, financial brokerage business dito sa IMG. Yan. So, magkakaroon din po tayo ng sarili nating online account or portal. Doon po natin na monitor yung ating mga investment, yung mga benefit ng ating sa IMG. Okay? So, yung ating basic membership fee, 6,000 lang po. Now, one time, that is for Philippine coded members. Kung kayo po ay OFW, what we really recommend is to yung ating international membership na sa mga $185, maybe around 11,000 pesos po, no? Kung saan man kayong sulok ng mundo, just ask the person who invited you para ma-check kung magkano ba yung ating membership for international. Yung advantage po kasi ng international, no, mas malaki yung personal accident insurance sa abot na around 600,000. Yan. And then, automatically, may mutual fund account na kayong 1,000 dyan, then kayo na pong bahalang magdagdag. Okay? And what we really recommend, become a member at magkaroon kayo ng sarili po ninyong Kaiser Savings Plan. No? Member plus Kaiser Savings Plan. So, and we also call that associate membership. So, yung 6,000 na Philippine Code membership ng IMG plus yung K100 plan, which is 5,882 monthly plus 500 policy fee. So, 12,382 lang po yung initial investment po ninyo. After that, 5,882 monthly na lang sa Kaiser yung i-add nyo. At kung magkano din yung gusto nyo idagdag doon sa mutual fund na investment po ninyo. So, 12,382. So, kung kaya nyo namang simulan kaagad, go for associate membership. No? Para member na kayo ng IMG, na i-build nyo na din kaagad yung ating solid financial foundation kasi may Kaiser na po tayo. Alright? Yan. And of course, for us to, the best way for us to build our solid financial foundation ng mabilis, talagang maganda rin kung madagdagan yung ating kinikita. You can maximize your IMG brokerage business. Dito, pwede po tayo magkaroon ng extra income. This will help us pay off yung ating mga no? Hello? Parang nawala ako. Okay. Share screen tayo ulit. So, the host now is si Sir John D. Sir John D, co-host ako. Anyway, matatapos na naman tayo, no? So, yun. If you have any further questions, clarifications regarding IMG and Kaiser, please set a second meeting to the person who invited you para po ma-guide kayo at ma-assist kayo na makapagsimula na po sa IMG at Kaiser. Alright? So, maraming salamat. No? I hope to see you sa aming next Zoom webinar. Meron pa tayong webinar mamaya, alas 10 ng gabi. Then, Wednesday and Friday din po, meron din. So, feel free to join us again and bring your loved ones, your friends, para makinig din po sila about IMG. Alright? Thank you and good night po.